looks like we are about to head out. Let's go, baby. So, if you guys didn't know, I'm one of the admins of Modded Detroit, which is a local car club in Detroit, and we host Thursday night cruises, which is what we're gonna vlog today.
Just so you guys can get a feel on like what it's like and what they do every week.
And if you're in the area, make sure you come out and check us out.
Cruise with us.
So before we head out, check out the new spoiler. This is the first time, spoiler alert, this is the first time we're taking out the Z with the spoiler on it. So hopefully it stays on the car. What do you say?
I think it will.
I hope it will. All right, let's roll. So here is our fuel stop that we do for every single vlog we're on the road. Hope you enjoy watching us get fuel. It's pretty entertaining. Wow, we're just seeing all sorts of cars on the road right now, huh? There's High Octane. Again, if you're in the Detroit area and you haven't been to High Octane, that's a bucket list restaurant to go to. You gotta try it. It's like a car-themed Starbucks. That car looks so good. Stripes. These are 1970 CUDA AAR stripes on a new Challenger. That's pretty sweet. So we're pulling in. We're at the Dave & Buster's as the meeting location, and then from there everybody is going to depart onto the route. This is the meetup location, and it's literally only 6:45, and we're all leaving at 7. So I bet you there's going to be at least another 50 cars that pull up. So we got Mitch here, the president of Modded Detroit, and my buddy Nick. He just bought a new 5.0 Mustang and it's really sweet. Hey, you want to go show us the new whip? All right, let's go check it out. Woo, look at that. So he ordered the GT350 spoiler, but he's gonna give us a nice rev real quick. Woo! That boy sounds good. It's a big difference from the Roush, huh?
Oh yeah.
If you guys didn't know, he also has a 04 Roush Mustang, and it's a V6. Stage 1 V6. And if you guys didn't know, Roush V6s are really rare. I would take his Roush over any 5.0. Yes, I'm not even playing. I'm not playing.
Then you haven't driven a 5.0.
I have driven a 5.0.
You have?
Yeah, I have.
You still? Oh, come on. It's a shit.
So it's a pretty big turnout so far. There's still people showing up, but...
Dom!
What's up, Dom? Big D, Dom.
Damn! Where did this come from?
It's, I don't know. That's his That's a clean Camaro. This as well is such a beautiful color. This is my favorite color on the M2s.
It's like metallic, but almost gray, but silver.
Right.
And like rose gold and everything.
Wow.
It's a competition, though.
Yeah, it has the competition rims on it. It's like Hollow's new M3 or M2. My bad.
And there's the mint STI, which is pretty sweet.
Yeah, that is beautiful color.
I didn't know it was matte. From afar, it looked glossy.
This is quite the turnout, you guys. This is awesome. So all these cars, we're about to cruise down towards Ann Arbor and Plymouth and then back to here. Nino is the lead car and he's gonna lead us, and everybody's starting to line up now. So now we're just waiting on everybody that's back there to line up, but here's the line of cars. Christina's right there. This is pretty exciting. Hopefully people won't be too stupid on the rally and be reckless. But I'm excited. Hopefully everybody stays safe. So we're getting on 275 South. Look at that line of cars, you guys. That's all us, baby. Just to reorganize and meet up, make sure everybody's still with us on the rally. That is beautiful. Look at that. We have a 1LE right here, and then we have that. Like, I'm telling you guys, it's such a diverse mix of cars here. What did you say?
I said we're going crazy. So we're here at the next point.
Look at this.
We're at the gas station, and we lost half the crew, but they're back.
Yeah,
I think.
You can see 1LE right here, 5-0. So everybody is trying to find us, but half the people apparently went north on 275 and the other half went south. So this is the cleanest 1LE I think I've ever seen. Is bone stock?
Oh, bone stock. I mean, besides the
Hey, it doesn't need anything else.
Oh, no, it's. Oh,
Damn.
Hi.
Hey,
Where's the whip?
where's the whip? It's all over there.
That was gonna be you right there.
Oh, I know, driving without my hood.
This is awesome. So where's the next stop at, Mitch?
I don't know.
How long are we gonna be here?
The president doesn't even know. So we got Kyle here with us. He drives the RS, he's got the Corvette. All right, so where'd you say we're going?
We're going to the Walmart brand area.
He's a natural vlogger, if you didn't know. He doesn't have a channel, but
That's a lot of work.
yeah, it is a lot of work. All right, we're about to head out, go to our next destination. We're using the Joiner app, which is like a group me but for rallying. It's awesome. You guys should check it out. Christina, you look like a crazy person talking to TikTok Live. She's on TikTok Live with like thousands of people watching, but look how clean this is. This Cherry's got drag tires on there, slick, so holy hell. So I'm here with my Habibis. Everybody say hi. Nino, shout out, he's leading us today, so yeah.
I'm gonna be on your YouTube?
You're gonna be on the YouTube channel, man.
Hell yeah.
You guys are gonna be famous now.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, so it's funny, you and Dom have the same color challenges.
Except one is just a little faster than the other.
Yours is a little, so his is a little faster. He's got 2 less cylinders, but his is faster, so. The front of the pack, we just got off of the freeway and we're in downtown Ann Arbor now. Oh shit. There are a lot of you Michiganders, at least the U of M people, have gone kayaking down here before, so just a little reference point. Wow, Mitch was not kidding when he said it's a Walmart brand tunnel of trees. This is awesome. The road is so smooth, I can't even hear my tires. This is beautiful. We got a river running alongside, and Christina is right in back of me as always. Okay, I think this is where the off-brand came into play. You can hear all the gravel and crap going up under my wheel wells, and this asphalt is very rough. It's like rocks put together, and I can really feel it. What?
No burnout. What? No burnout.
In the grass.
Look at around the
Mow the
tree.
lawn. It's mowing the lawn.
What the What? He said I didn't actually mean to do it. So we are regrouping now at some, I don't even know where we are, but he's leading us in the Camaro. But there was a lot of loose gravel on that last road, so this next road hopefully is a lot more smooth and we can go a little bit faster. So we've been here for about 15 minutes already, and there's still cars pulling in the parking lot.
Yeah, there's some people that are lost, that are in different meetup spots.
Right. Somebody just got to the place we were just at and goes, "Hey, I'm here. I think I beat you guys here." I'm like, "No, buddy, you're pretty late." And then obviously you saw what happened there. But
Check out the 2 carbon fiber wings neck to neck.
Hey, ZL1 carbon fiber wing and yours. That's sweet. Oh, somebody brought a dog? What? I guess. I don't know. Yeah, are the keys in it? Yeah, you can take it. You can take it, bro. Look at this little spoiler. That's a hella downforce on that. Looks like we are about to head out. Let's go, baby. Let's roll. And off we go to the next meetup location. People are crazy. We're entering like a nice little downtown area here. Quite a show for all these people who are eating and at Dairy Queen, but look at all the heads turning. That's crazy. Dumbass. He's just sitting there. Why? Some people. So some people are grabbing a bite to eat down there. Cop wouldn't let us park there, so we came and parked here. I couldn't record the road because it was pretty bumpy, but we were going speeds that I cannot say on here for at least like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, but it was a really fun road, so I wish I could have vlogged. I don't have a co-pilot to vlog, but oh well. This is the last meetup spot anyways. From here, it's basically we're gonna head back to the Dave & Buster's, but I'm gonna just head straight home with Christina. We got some rain clouds coming in up there. Alright guys, thank you for watching our video.
And stay tuned for the next one. We're going to be at the grand opening of M1 Concourses Cars and Coffee ever since the pandemic. So.
Yes, it's the first big car event since the pandemic.
So everybody's going to come.
Everybody's coming.
And you guys should tune in.
Yes, so thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.
Peace out.